I'm going to introduce the speakers one by one, and I hope we have some time also for questions from the floor, so I'll take those questions also after the presentation. I'd like to welcome our first speaker for today. His name is Karol Martincek. He comes from the Slovakian Railways. Can you please give Karol a big round of applause? Thank you.
Have a nice. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, techniques. So, have a nice afternoon one more time to everybody. Really pleasure to be here, and I'm really pleasure to see some familiar faces. And I would like to share our experience and our figures from experience, which are showing that the rail sector, especially trains transportation, has a potential, has a future. So that's why we are here to share our experience. As a Slovak country, we are completely in the middle of the Europe, no parts of the sea. And last time we spoke with the Ministry of Transport, and some part of Ministry of Transport is the section of tourism, and we spoke how to improve the tourism in Slovakia, and how to be like operator more efficient with our assets of hardware, which is not working during a weekend and some part of the year when we have to run the timetable. So all the experience which I'm going to show you will be except aside of timetable. So we have to take care about timetable daily, 24/7, and except this, we try to, with Ministry Transport, to improve tourism and to be more efficient. Regarding the survey, we find out that 1/3 of the Slovak population would like to planning holiday in Slovakia. That is regarding the survey, and other 2/3 of Slovakia wanted to go to foreigners, mainly for seaside, and this is why we are try to force them to spend more time on Slovakia and to improve the Slovak tourism. So that's why agency of Slovak travel, we prepare some promotional, and right now I will show you. Voice. We do not have a voice.
Hi, this is Steve from Birmingham. Yeah, here
Thanks.
behind the camera. I'm just discovering a country I didn't know before, and yet it's so close. Do you see that? Sure you do, but you can't feel the fresh air. Do you have the chills? Not like I do. Too bad you can't shake hands with this mountain porter. And walk down these streets. Or Don't touch these. Well, I can't do that either. If only you were here, but you can be. Just come to Slovakia. Slovakia, so close to the experience, so close to you.
So this was like an entry, and our support was during this presentation and during summer days with supporting of 31 operation days in 4 months during the holiday period. 2 lines, 176 dispatches trains, and we see and we check that 43,000 people went through our trains and use our support to summer tourism on Slovakia. As I said on the start, that is just only 1/3 of Slovak population. I show you the second third of populations want to spend their summer holidays on seaside. And mainly countries where they are going to for sea is Croatia, Italian, Greece, Turkish, Hungary, and of course some other countries. As you can see, the Croatia, the biggest share of willingness of our population to travel. So how to fulfill their desire with supporting from our company? We try to start to speak with our nearest neighbor. This is Austrian company ABB, and trying to find out some kind of products which will fulfill some requirements from traveler, holiday makers, and to reduce the headache from traveling by car. We already, this product, do 2 times. First, we start in 2020, whereas, as you know, it was affect deeply the COVID situation. And in spite of that, we started to do also the next year, 21st. And trying to prepare with our cooperation company and with ABB, trying to reduce the headache as how to get to the seaside, why to go by the car, why to reduce the how to reduce the stress by traveling. So that was our communication strategy, how to improve the willingness Slovak population to travel by train to Croatia. Our product consisted from, as you see, locos, monorail, 2 sleeping couches, 1 sleep wagons, and 2 seat wagons. We started, as I said, 2020 and continue in 21st. So, and I will show you the result from this product, which we hope will attend willingness to travel by train. We designed this product for 4-month season and tried to persuade the travelers, the game changer at this monorail, to take their own car by this product and to travel to Croatia by the train and to even keep their car on the train. We set up that it was 2 times per week for Tuesday and a Friday. And this road, as you see, is going through 4 countries. 4 countries, 950 kilometers long, leaving from Slovakia afternoon 16:30 and reach the Split in the morning, around 9 o'clock in the morning. We running this product already 2 seasons. And this year we made 116 drives. 40,000 holiday makers we already transferred to Croatia, mainly to Split. And we transported 1,627 cars. And this is why we do. These cars we transfer by train with holiday makers. And this, we can see comparison of the result. You see, this is a really, really interesting increase, and we happy that we have the customer who believe this product, that we have a partner who believe this product, and we wanted to go for next year again with some changes which we would like to express to customer during winter season, to make some campaign and to promote the product for next year. With with our partner, we discuss a little bit too longer season for new product, going 3 times per week and attracting surrounding regions which are close to Vienna or Austrian border. This is vision. This is vision which I wanted to show you, because this is the potential where could the night transport could be serviced. I know that nowadays it is not really operated, but this is potential for future. This is potential for train sector and for train transport. And with this transferring either people or cars by train, what we can achieve? We can achieve a really good result. I wanted to stop it, because this is the really added value, which is no ancillary revenue, but this is a really added value for countries. This is a really added value for world. It is a really added value for customer. And this is the last slide what I have prepared for our presentation. And I hope that next year we will be able to show the result for next year operations. Thank you.
Thank you, Karol, very much.